The fan is really bad. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. But it's really quiet, yes. But it's very weak. At first it was really good. But for some reason, it's so bad now. I don't know what's wrong with it. I have no clue what's wrong with it. It's only 30 days old. I'd say maybe 40 days old. Since I bought it, and it's already basically broken. Like, it's so weak, I can barely feel it anymore. It's definitely not worth the price. Do not buy this product.
Just got this fan. It's pretty tall. We are a hot area over here and we need fans in all rooms, so let's give it a go. It's plugged in. It spins. You can change it to all different little times. It's pretty loud, but it's on 3, and I guess that means that it's working. Sounds pretty good though, and the air is freezing. So we'll see how it does through summer.
Just arrived today. You see how defective this is? It does not even turn around or oscillate. So when you press the oscillate button, nothing at all. Crazy. And if you want to go on, yeah, it goes to the second phase. It's strong, but then you go to number 3, it shuts off. Nothing. Yep. It's one of those defectiveness. So I don't know. PELONIS may not be a reputable company. I'm telling you, I'm getting this replaced. I'm giving them another chance, but yep, just letting you know, this may not be the brand for everyone.
Long offers you their comfort for your loss.
Because it's so easy lost. Good, turn out. Feels good, oscillating.
You must mourn her in accordance to the rituals of your ancestors.
The fan is amazing and it has different speed options. We love it.
It's so beautiful.